Hello students, how are you all? Good? Okay, welcome to our new day, day 25. And which date is today? 21st first of May 2020. Okay, let us begin our day with a prayer. Everyone join your hands and close your eyes. Om Bhurbhuvat Swaha तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Everyone, rub your palms. Keep your palms on your eyes. Slowly rub your eyes and open it. Feeling fresh? Okay, so today we are going to start a new chapter. That is chapter number 4. But before starting chapter number 4, let us tell you our yesterday's homework first. Okay? Take out your notebook, A number notebook. Okay, so this was our yesterday's homework. 3 plus 3 plus 2 equals to 8. We have done this in classwork yesterday. We have done this now. Okay, let us go to next question. Question 2. 4 plus 3 plus 1. So here 4 plus 3 is 7 and 7 plus 1 equals to 8. Third one. 2 plus 5 plus 0. So 2 plus 5 equals to 7 and 7 plus 0 equals to 7. Next is fourth one. 2 plus 3 plus 4. So here 2 plus 3 equals to 5 and 5 plus 4 equals to 9. And last question was 2 plus 5 plus 1. So 2 plus 5 equals to 7 and 7 plus 1 equals to 8. Everyone had done this correctly? Yes? Very good. Now come back to textbook everyone. Open your textbook. In textbook, open chapter number 4, that is subtraction to 10. Subtraction to 10 on page number 52. Page number is 52. Chapter number is 4 and chapter name is subtraction to 10. Subtraction to 10. मतलब हम subtract करना सीखेंगे up to which number? 10 number. Okay. First of all, answer me what is subtraction? Subtraction मतलब क्या होता है? Subtraction is to take away. Is to take away. For example, see, I am having here 1, 2, 3 and 4 mangoes. How many mangoes? 1, 2, 3 and 4 mangoes. If I take one mango, I had taken one mango and I will eat it. What I will do? I will eat the mango. Then how many mangoes are remaining here? 1, 2 and 3. Means I had taken away one mango. There were how many mangoes? पहले कितने थे? 1, 2, 3 and 4. If I had taken one mango and eaten it up, then how many mangoes are remaining? 1, 2 and 3. समझ में आया? Okay, I will give you one more example. See, now I am having 5 mangoes. How many mangoes I am having? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 yummy mangoes over here. So what I had done, from 5 I had taken 1, 2 and 3 mangoes. I had made the milkshake and drink it full. मैं 3 मैंगोज़ का मिल्कशेक बना के पी गई. तो यहाँ पे कितने बचे? 1 and 2. 1 and 2. If from 5 mangoes, if we had taken 1, 2 and 3 mangoes, there are only 1 and 2 mangoes left. How many mangoes left? 1 and 2. अब समझ में आया? Very good. So come back to textbook on page number 52. On page number 52. Write down classwork and today's date. Classwork and today's date. Today's date is 21st of May 2020. Noted everyone? Okay. Let's see what the girl is telling first. Okay. Remember, this means to take away. This means to take away. It is read as minus. इसे हम क्या बुलाएंगे? माइनस. हम ऐसे सिम्बल्स तो नहीं बोल सकते ना. डैश है तो क्या बोलेंगे हम? माइनस. व्हाट इट इज रीडेड एज? माइनस. जैसे हम एडिशन वाले चैप्टर में प्लस बोलते थे. सी व्हाट वी वर डूइंग? 2 plus 2. What we were saying? 2 plus 2. We were reading the symbol as plus. In the same way, what we have to do? We have to read the symbol as minus. We will read this symbol as minus. And minus is to take away. जब हम एडिशन करते थे तो क्या करते थे? 2 नंबर का प्लस कंबाइन करते थे, 2 नंबर्स को मर्ज करते थे. ओके. लेकिन यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? वी विल टेक अवे. माइनस मीन्स टू टेक अवे. लेट अस सी विद दिस फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स गिवन ओवर हियर. Fill in the blanks. One has been done for you. Okay. What is this first? It is honeycomb. Okay, or you can say hives. What you can say? Hives. Okay. So first, in first picture there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 honeybees. How many honeybees are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is written over here 4 in the box. And 2 are flying away. 1 and 2 are flying away. So what we will do? 4 minus 2. In hive there were 1, 2, 3 and 4 honeybees. But from 4 honeybees, 2 are flying away. So how many will be remaining? If 1, 2, 3 and 4. If 1 and 2, we cut 1 and 2, then how many are remaining here? 1 and 2. So what we will get? 4 minus 2 equals to 2. Then in next picture there are how many honeybees near hive? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will write 6 in the box. From 6 honeybees, 1, 2 and 3 are flying away. 1, 2 and 3 are flying away. So we will write 3 in this box. So what we can do? Here there are 6 honeybees. if we cut 1, 2 and 3, how many honeybees are remaining? 1, 2 and 3. So answer will be 3. From 6, if 3 flew away, then how many are remaining? Only 3. Let us see the next picture. Okay, so in next picture, how many honeybees are there near hive? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we will write 6 in first box. And from this 6, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 are flying away. How many are flying away? 4. So we will write 4 in this box. From 6, 1, 2, 3 and 4 flew away. We had cut this 4. Then how many are remaining? Only 1 and 2. So answer is 2. Write down 2 in the box. Last picture. How many honeybees are there near hive? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many are there? 8. Write down 8 in first box. From 8 honeybees, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are flying away. So write down 5 in the box. If we cut 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, how many will be remaining? Only 1, 2 and 3. So write down 3 in the box. So understood this? If from a bigger number, what we do? We take smaller number away. Okay, let us come to page number 53 and write down classwork and today's date. Classwork and today's date. One more beautiful picture is given. Yes or no? It is garden and some children are playing here. Bird is flying in the sky. You can see clouds in the sky. And water here. ये सब क्या है? Yes, they are ducks. They are ducks. So let us see what the girl and boy is talking. Girl is saying that there were 5 ducks in the pond. Pond मतलब ये तालाब है ना वो. Okay. There were 5 ducks in the pond. पहले कितने ducks थे इस pond में? 5. From the 5, 3 came out. 3 duck बाहर आ गए. See, you can see 1, 2 and 3 ducks over here. Yes or no? Yes. So boy is asking, then how many ducks are left in the pond? तो अब कितने बचे pond में? पहले 5 थे, अब 3, 1, 2 and 3. ये 3 तो बाहर निकल गए. तो अब pond में कितने बचे? Count it. 1 and 2. Only 1 and 2. First, there were 5 ducks in the pond. If 1, 2 and 3 are 3 came out. 1, 2 and 3 came out. Then how many are remaining here? Only 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Do you understand what is subtraction now? Yes, you will get further idea when we will do this full chapter. Okay, आपको पूरा समझ में आ जाएगा जब हम ये चैप्टर ख़त्म करेंगे. हम आज यहाँ तक रखेंगे. एंड टुडे देयर इज़ नो होमवर्क. ओके, you are free today. You can play some more time. Okay, bye. Have a nice day.